My name is Valerie Schwarz, and I'm a longtime Yale Fellow, a fourth grade teacher at Mary Munford Elementary School, as well as the moderator for today's panel. So this summer, I participated in the Alien Earth Seminar with Sir Bonnie Basu and created a curriculum unit for my fourth grade class titled There's No Space Like Home. The curriculum unit focuses on the solar system, but also has a lot of mathematics woven into it. The seminar helped increase my limited knowledge about space, and I became more current with the topic. Our understanding of the solar system has changed quite a bit since I was in school, and the movie E.T. was in theaters, and Pluto was still considered a planet. In seminar, we learned about dwarf planets, exoplanets, and habitability. And now I'll let my extraordinary student, Elijah Robbins, tell you about the unit. Elijah?
Hello, my name is Elijah, and I want to thank my moms, Ms. Schwarz and Neil, for letting me be here today. I'll start my presentation now. At first, our teacher introduced us to the book The Lion of Mars by Jennifer L. Holm to get us in the space mood. It's about a U.S. settlement on Mars. My teacher told us that we'd be doing a space project on Google Slides. I asked a friend of mine, Blake, to be my partner, and we chose Venus as our planet. Here are 2 fun facts I learned. Did you know that there's a British website that sells an acre on Venus for $25? Its atmosphere has a pressure 92 times more than the pressure on Earth. After we did our presentation, our teacher said that we'd be making a Play-Doh project of planets. At first, she set up the whole entire thing, but we did some of the math for the science paper. First, we had to cut out the diameters of the planets and sort them from greatest to least. We were trying to find the measurements of how much bigger or smaller each planet was to Earth. We used a calculator to divide the diameter of another planet by Earth's diameter to find the size relative to Earth. So Jupiter's diameter is about 11 times bigger than Earth. We did this for each planet. Then we found how many AUs, or astronomical units, each planet is from the sun. For our model, 1 AU is a meter, which is the distance from the sun to the Earth. We went outside and measured 30 meters, because the furthest planet, Neptune, is 30 AUs away from the sun. We used sidewalk chalk to mark it like a football field. Next day, we made Play-Doh for all the planets. We made 2 batches so everyone could help out. We added dye and kneaded it. The next step was to measure the Play-Doh planets in grams. We made all of them in 4-gram blocks because Earth was 4 grams. We listed the planets in order from the sun. Jupiter was 11 times the size of Earth, so we made 11 blocks of 4 grams. We made tape diagrams with Play-Doh blocks. Our teacher told us that we'd make the Play-Doh box into a planet. After that, we went outside to put the planet on our model. Unfortunately, this guy was walking down the sidewalk and he didn't notice our class waving at him. He smushed Mars. He looked at the bottom of his shoe and tried to wipe it off, and then he just walked away. Half of Mars was on his shoe. The model showed us that even on the sidewalk, Neptune is really far away from the sun. In space, 1 AU is 150,000 kilometers, or 93 million miles. If we ever want to get to these faraway places, we're going to need rockets. So we made rockets. First, we made a diagram of what materials we wanted for our rockets. Then once we made the rockets, next day, we went to launch them. Once we had them fly, we figured out that trapezoid fins were the best. The rocket with those fins went much further than the others. It was exciting because you didn't know how far yours would go until you tried it. Unfortunately, the second time we tried this, our table's rocket went on top of the building. After that, my teacher said that we'd be doing Another Google slides on moons and dwarf planets. I had the same partner, Blake. We had to compare Titan to the moon. Titan is the second largest moon and it orbits Saturn. It is bigger than the planet Mercury. And it's extraordinary because it has rivers, lakes, and seas on its surface. On Titan, its atmosphere is so like the Earth's that you don't need a spacesuit. You just need an oxygen mask and something to keep you warm. Titan is cool because it might be able to have a life. These lessons were different because science was our main focus, because we didn't have much time before coming to Yale. We researched planets and moons. It was good because I really didn't know many facts about our solar system. It was fun to learn something new. Thank you for listening. Space out.